The California or butterfly patch is a common method for repairing holes up to 8 inches in walls. It involves making a patch with excess drywall paper around its perimeter to help secure it to the wall. The steps for a California patch are as follows. 1. Cut a rectangle piece of drywall that is at least 1.5 inches larger than the hole on all sides. 2. On the back side of the patch, use a utility knife and a straight edge to score a line about 1.5 inches from each edge. 3. Snap the drywall along each of the scores and carefully pull the drywall off of the paper facing. 4. Place the patch over the hole and trace around it. Mark the patch so you know how it fits in the hole later. 5. Use a drywall saw to cut the patch-shaped hole. 6. Measure 1.5 inches from each edge of the hole. Score the drywall paper and then remove the strips. 7. Check the patch for proper fit and trim any drywall or facing paper. 8. Apply setting type or all-purpose drywall mud around the edges of the hole. 9. Insert the patch into the hole and use a drywall knife to press the paper flaps into the mud. 10. Let the mud dry and then apply at least 2 more coats on top of the patch, sanding between each coat.